新服务，
原材料的研发才是化妆品区别于市场有自己真正芯片的唯一之路。
如今，消费者对护肤品质的追求逐渐升级，在纯植物护肤成为新趋势的同时，技术创新和工艺工艺也面临更大的挑战。
In this protracted core-hunting war, ingenuity steams from every subversive innovation. We join hands with international cutting-edge R&D forces to create a unique observed technology R&D center, which is dedicated to researching technology day and night. We made a breakthrough by creating a unique biofermentation technology and started the industry-leading pure plant skincare research and development, and replaced the traditional anti-corrosion technology with process control and fresh-keeping packaging to create safer, healthier, and more effective cosmetics.
我从94年入行到今年应该是25个年头了，感觉这个行业是很朝阳。但是作为制造型的化妆品制造工厂来说呢，我们见证了太多的潮起潮落。我经过这么几十年的观察来说，我个人几乎可以断定，品控管理和技术服务这是基本功，因为已经同质化了，而真正能让企业支撑企业持续生存的，就是技术研发。
Opseve Industrial Park covers an area of more than 30,000 square meters and is an independent cosmetic technology research center of 1,000 square meters, which is completely established in accordance with GMP standards. The annual R&D investment is not less than 8% of the operating income. The world's top testing equipment. They are the world's top testing equipments, 30 utility model patents, 3 copyrights, and 10 international standards for the products, in addition to the air purification standard of 100,000 grades. The factory has a production workshop that reaches 10,000 grades of air purification standards. Our warehouse covering more than 20,000 square meters. Our production workshop boasts 5 times per hour secondary reverse osmosis plus EDR treatment process pure water manufacturing, 30 sets of advanced emulsification equipment, daily emulsification capacity of 150 tons, 23 production lines established in accordance with international GMP standards, 20 sets of 3-dimensional fume automatic packaging machines, POL fume automatic packaging machine, 16-head automatic filling machine, monthly production capacity of 10 million square meters, 10-head automatic filling machine, 16 automatic 6-head mask canning machines with a daily production capacity of 2 million pieces. We produce in strict accordance with GMP standards. The production process mainly includes 5 steps: melting glue, film pressing, drying, film selecting, and packaging. We have 6 production lines and use world-class equipment for production, with a daily production scale of more than 5 million. There are 15 automatic intelligent dryers and 25 sets of molds, of which 5 sets of molds have applied for appearance patents, and the filling volume covers 0.2 gram to 2 gram, giving customers more choices. Capsule color range is rich. Different capsule colors can be customized according to customer requirements. Opseve capsules select high-quality suppliers in home and abroad to ensure product quality. Among them, the capsule skin is selected from the world-class supplier Rose-Loss Gelatin. The essence and inner material are selected from TSM, BASF, and other first-class raw material suppliers to ensure the superior quality of the products. Opseve capsules empowers multiple brands of customers such as Yushi Mystery, HKH, TST, OSM, etc., helping brands to make efforts in the scientific skincare track of nourishing skin with all you. Hong Kong 1.0 ERP system, the whole process of traceable record management, the use of production error prevention system of raw material pre-weighing and material feeding, the use of information management for production plan execution, access to real-time data at any time, the pursuit of process standardization, management transparency and quick response, production lean.
为不辜负每位顾客的信赖，我们全力组建全球顶尖的品质管理团队，打造智能化的产业链。不仅构筑了一套严于国际标准的管理体系， 精雕细琢每一款产品每一个细节，同时建立了仓储物流管理系统 ERP， 打造电子信息化的管理平台，率先采用了现代化全参观式的开放设计，将我们的每一条生产线、每一道工序都毫无保留地呈现于公众的视线之下，让我们的员工、客户及合作伙伴能够体验到高标准的生产过程，真正的实现透明化、可视化的智能化生产。
我们不但布局全球化服务网络，通过大数据链接市场，洞悉消费需求，不遗余力地为客户提供一套完整的量身定制的一站式服务。
这些年，大家发现了消费越来越成熟，他们已经不再去相信那种公众媒体给到的信息了，而会相信自己的判断了。这个时候才发现，产品品质才是王道。
只有做好了研发、生产、管理各方面的东西的话，我们便全情投入可持续发展的化妆品研发之路。我希望我们能够创造一个让我们每一位员工都引以为豪的企业，赋予我们每一个人生命更高的价值。